Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure you work in a well-lit area to avoid losing any small screws. Begin by turning off the laptop and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. There are typically 8 to 10 screws, depending on your model. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you could damage the clips holding the back in place. With the back panel removed, you should see the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris you may find. A clean internal environment is essential for proper functioning. Now, locate the LCD cover. It is attached to the display assembly. Remove any screws that secure the LCD cover to the assembly. If you find adhesive tape, gently peel it away using the spudger. At this point, if you're not comfortable continuing the repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can handle the intricate details for you. Once the LCD cover is free, take the new LCD cover and align it properly with the display assembly. Press down gently to secure it in place. Reattach any screws that were removed earlier to ensure it is firmly secured. Before closing the back panel, it's a good idea to double-check that all screws are tightened and that the internal components are clean. If you don't have the tools or time to do this yourself, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. Now, carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop. Ensure that all clips are engaged properly to avoid any gaps. Finally, replace the screws you previously removed to secure the back panel in place. After completing the assembly, power on the laptop to test the new LCD cover. Make sure everything is functioning correctly. If any issues arise, we offer a quote before repair, so you won't be caught off guard with unexpected costs. Congratulations, you have successfully changed the LCD cover on your Asus B1502CB. Remember, if you need assistance, we are just a call away, providing solutions without the hassle of travel. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.